Meet Jill. She's a property manager who loves her job and always does the best she can. But recently, Jill has been seeing the costs for her elevator emergency phone lines going up continually. It seems like it keeps getting higher every month, and she's struggling to identify an alternative solution for her emergency phones. This situation is now also impacting Jill's ability to deliver strong budget results. She then decides to go to the Property Managers Association meeting and learns from her peers that her prices are going up because landlines are being decommissioned. Jill discovered that she's not the only one. She was advised by her peers to switch to VoIP, PBX, or radio mesh, but that only leaves Jill's head spinning with all the information. She goes back to her office to look into the options, only to find out, after hours of research, that VoIP, PBX, and radio mesh are not suitable for her needs and aren't even code compliant for her emergency phones. Just then, Joe appears, who wasn't at the meeting, calls Jill to say hi. Jill explains her dilemma, and Joe refers her to Kings 3. Jill found that Kings 3's solution can decrease her liability, increase continuity across all her elevators, ensure that she is code compliant, and even give her sustainable monthly savings with no surprise charges. Jill was elated, and the Kings 3 installation was completed within a week, quick and seamless. Today, Jill works with Kings 3 and is now beating budget expectations as a property manager.